Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Santander UK Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Santander UK Bank. Click on this first website over here and click on log on the top right. Now enter your personal ID number here, and since we do not know the password or the 5-digit pins required, click on forgotten details over here. Now enter your personal ID. Now enter your mobile number and simply click on continue. Once the verification of the details you have provided is done, we'll get a code to reset the password in our email address. After which we can finally reset the password. So that is all we can do to reset Santander UK Bank online banking password. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.